For 6 years, this man has had the second toughest job in America. When you're mayor of New York, your problems don't happen quietly, they explode. And John Lindsay's had them all. Garbage strikes, city hall protests. Sometimes it seems like they never end. But John Lindsay's learned how to fight like nobody else in this country. When there was a riot in the New York City prisons and they took hostages, John Lindsay didn't send in troops. He walked in himself, and no prisoner or hostage was killed. And he's won some of the big ones. Half-fare transportation for 1 million senior citizens. A free university education for every high school graduate, black and white. 4,000 more police to fight crime. Cleaner air for the first time in a generation. And when cities all over America went up in flames, John Lindsay put his life on the line and walked the streets to hold New York together. After 6 years in the second toughest job in America, John Lindsay's ready for the toughest.